Hi everyone, welcome back to day 3 of My Creative Times 145th edition release, and it is her Halloween release. Super cute items that we've been showcasing all week. I hope that you've had fun checking out everybody's projects that they have created for your inspiration. All right, so like I said before, every day we are showcasing a few items. So just to run over with that, we have the traditional Halloween enamel dots, the bright Halloween enamel dots, and I will be purchasing more on Friday. And then we also have the spooky season stamp set, and today I'm using this. I've really focused on this. I love what we're showcasing today. Anyways, I use that one and a few others. Open if you dare, I want to say too. Not for sure what I use in the inside of one of the cards, but you'll see it. And we have our treat box die, and look at that little bat on there. And love how this turned out. And of course, I will be using this as a background layer somewhere in some of my projects, at some point in time. So really like that look of that. Then we also have the cutest little Frankenstein. Adorable. Absolutely adorable. He comes with 10 pieces. So we have the jacket, the little add-ons for the shirt. Well, actually, it's a shirt and little add-ons for the shirt. This is the inside layer for the shirt, and this is the lapel and the pants and the hair. And of course, My Creative Time will have everything on her channel so that you can see how to put it together. These are his hands, and these are his fingernails, and the little add-ons for the head for Frankie. This will go behind his face, and then that's part of the shirt. Adorable. The cutest little Frankie ever. Okay, like I said, we have the sentiment label die plate. We're showcasing that every day along with the papers. And if you want to see the papers in more detail, check out the first day. That's Halloween 2024. And then Bright Halloween 2024. And then I also use the rectangle frame die layers. So here are these adorable little projects. I'm going to start off with the box. I seen one of my friends, You See Why I'm a Diva, use My Creative Times fairy die with the butterfly behind it, and I was so inspired to put the bat wings behind her, and I thought that just turned out adorable. There goes the enamel dots that I use. I think that's for the Bright Halloween pack, and as you can tell, there's bats behind there. Open if you dare. And so I thought it just turned out adorable. She does have the layers for this, and just super cute. I don't have anything in there yet, but if I choose to give it away, it will be loaded. I love that. And then this is the cutest Frankie ever. Love him, and I love that the papers just coordinated so well. He looks very stylish. Just adorable. I did add the little dots in his eyes there on top of that piece that goes behind him, and so I just thought that would add a little bit more character to him. And I also added a few little character spots on his hair and his shoes. And then I also used the ghost, which I did not show that, but here it goes. I forgot to show you the ghost dies. There we go. It'll come 9 in the set. And I'm using the smallest ones. Just super cute. And then I did ink this up with, I forgot the name of the colors. I know this is black soot. I forgot what color that is that I used, but added some orange dots on there to kind of bring it out from his shirt. Monster Mash, you know the song. And there goes the little notes behind him. And then I thought that spider web paper looked very nice behind him. And then there goes the inside. Frankly, you are amazing. I thought that was just adorable card. Just too cute. Love the Frankie. That one has my heart. I really love that one. So hopefully you have enjoyed everything we've showcased this week. Make sure you use my code for your discount, MOE, or any one of the designers. Check out everybody's channels or on Instagram. Just check out everyone. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.